welcome to the Wagon demo day for this incredible batch 1515. Yeah, let's start with a bit of clapping. So, we are here simply today to celebrate like 6 intense months of learning together. I think it's been super enjoyable for absolutely every one of us to actually cater or have this group of you 13 incredible people along this ride, and it's been really enjoyable for all the teachers, and it's been incredible enjoyable experience for all of us because you are just a really nice bunch of good, collaborative, nice people, and that just makes everything so much more fun. So, as none of you really know what Wagon is about, I'm going to start with 30 minutes of slides. Not true. What I'm going to do is just talk very quickly about what Wagon is. So it's an accelerated learning boot camp that teaches people like tech skills in a very short amount of time. Our approach is very much practical, so it's learning by doing. And I said it's a lot more like a work experience. And I think what people don't realize in terms of what they get in terms of skills is a lot more than just the tech skills. So I'd say the most important thing you actually acquire is confidence. Confidence in learning a lot of new things that you don't even realize you could, and you can learn it very quickly. So you gain a lot of confidence. You become a really good problem solver. And I say if you know how to problem solve in your life, you're kind of set for life, because that means you can learn how to build a house, you know how to buy the right car, you know how to find the right job, etc., etc. So you learn, you acquire confidence, you become a really good problem solver, you become really good at Googling, you learn how to learn, basically. And if you ask me, that's a lot more than just the tech skills. That's actually has much more value than just the tech skills. But of course, you learn incredible tech skills. So to actually, let's say, finish this quick intro, let's rather show everyone what you can actually do and jump into the presentations. And these slides were not that long. There was just 5 slides in there. Let's say we have four courses: web development, full stack development, data science, data analytics, data engineering, for those who are interested. And that was it in terms of the slides. So having said that, Tom, let's go over to you, and let's introduce the groups, and then let's get going. Whoever is presenting, remember to share your screens. So we stop sharing ours, and then you start sharing yours, and then you start a presentation. So having said that, over to you.
Thank you, Paul. And yeah, so those of you who are presenting, make sure you join the Zoom, because we're not doing it on Gather at the moment. Like Paul said, we've all been learning and coding for the past 6 months now. And we have 4 brilliant apps to show you. A lot of the people who have come into this course had absolutely 0 technical experience as well. So when you see these applications, it really is quite an achievement and quite a feat for everybody to come through, 6 months of learning to get to this point. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, the first app that we have is Build Aware, which comprises of Jin, Rebecca, Will, and Andrew. And it's an application that helps children understand their own emotional intelligence and how to navigate that. Primarily focusing on children's mental health and awareness. Please give it up for Build Aware.
Welcome, Mr. Wagon, and thanks for coming into school today. We've been calling all the parents in today to discuss the overall mood decline of our students. As you know, we've been keeping track of the student moods at the start of the day, and then we've been monitoring them throughout the week with our app Build Aware.
Okay.
I'd like to run through some things with you about your son, as he hasn't really been feeling himself lately. Let me take you through Build Aware. This is here, I'll give you this one. Look with me.
Yeah.
So this is the class that your son has with me. Let's log in first. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Could be better.
Yeah, that's all right.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the class that your son has with me.
Okay.
And as you can see,
Oh, what is this?
so this is pretty much a mood summary
Yeah.
of the student moods throughout the week. So you can see it fluctuates from like maybe happy or sad or devastated. But as you can see here is that the mood decline has been going down gradually. So there's a lot
Okay.
more devastated and sad students.
Mm.
And then if we go further into detail about the mood summary,
Mm-hmm.
we can see here that this is an overall sort of data that we've collected about the students.
Okay.
Beautiful. So as you can see here, Billy has been a bit sort of sad and devastated.
My son.
Yeah, correct. Your
Right.
son, Billy. Yep. Thanks
Yeah.
for remembering his name.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any reason, do you know why your son's been feeling down lately? Has he been acting differently?
No, to be honest, I tried everything.
Yeah.
Talk to him, put him
Yeah.
aside to the corner,
Yeah.
try to be nice.
Yeah.
But it's not really talk to me.
He's not engaging
Yeah,
with
he just locked in his room,
you? Yeah.
playing video games.
Yeah.
Kids nowadays. Yeah, I'm just really hopeless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you tried asking him what's wrong?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Hashtag
What have you
good
been? What have you been asking him?
parent. Just question like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how does he answer?
Usually just walk away from me.
Walk away,
So
yeah.
yeah.
Pretty typical from a moody teenager.
Yeah. No, I just remote all his background. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the video games. It's the Fortnite.
Okay, that's disgusting.
Yeah, I know. I agree.
Yeah. So I'm just wondering how this works. Like,
So if you'd like, we can bring Billy in, and then we can walk him through it.
okay, sure. Billy, come here.
Dad. What?
Hello, Billy.
Hey, Mr. Wagon, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right.
You going all right?
Nah.
No. So your father and I have noticed that your mood's been a bit down lately.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Do you have a specific reason why? Maybe.
I don't know.
No. No. Well, let's do our best to find out. So what we'll do is we've got the app Build-A-Ware. Just want to have a quick look with me.
Oh, cool.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So what we'll do, we'll log you in.
Can I play Fortnite on here?
Yeah, we can do that afterwards. Yeah, definitely.
Sick.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'll log in.
So what we'll do, yeah, you can log in for me, please.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, cool. So what do you see, Billy?
A bunch of cool emojis.
Cool emojis, right? Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're jumping around, catching your attention.
I like that.
Which emoji do you sort of like the most at this time?
What do you mean?
Like, which one stands out to you?
Like how I feel?
Yeah, how you feel exactly.
Maybe the crying one?
Yeah, go click the crying one if you're feeling like you want to cry.
Okay.
Cool, beautiful.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? So what we can do here is that if you're feeling a bit sad and you don't really know why, you can draw if you want. So if you want to give the drawing a bit of a
What?
go. Yeah,
On here?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Wow. I'll draw on here.
draw whatever you want. Be happy face, sad face.
Oh, wow. That's
Okay.
pretty technological.
Yeah, it is. It's very innovative and
Can I try a different color?
yeah, you
Like
can change the color.
red, maybe? Or even purple or red? Yeah.
Yeah, cool. You can even change the brush size. You can get thicker ones.
I want a thick
You want a
brush.
thick one.
Yeah. Yeah, draw some tears.
Some blood tears. Yeah.
Blood tears.
Cool.
All right. Now what can I do?
So look, if you're done drawing and you don't really know.
Do you like that picture?
Yeah, it was beautiful. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save it as my desktop background.
You better.
I will.
All right.
It's my promise to you, Billy. Don't you worry.
Cool.
And then what we can do is that if you're done sort of drawing, you can type in why you're feeling sad.
I don't know.
Just type anything that comes to mind. You've already drawn it. You can type it in now if you want.
Okay. I'd rather be playing Fortnite.
Beautiful. But so look, we know what you want to do when you're sad, but do you know why you're sad?
To tell the truth, because today will be the final day of my Wagon journey.
But yes, just type that in.
I am.
Yeah,
Shut up.
Yeah, I will. So you can just click submit now. So now we've sort of found the root cause of why you're sad. We'll click
Okay.
submit.
Submit.
And now here comes the fun part. So now that you've sort of progressed onto the next stage, you've submitted your answer, you've drawn a picture, now we can have an activity for you to make yourself feel better.
Yeah.
So what would you like to do to make yourself feel better?
Teddy bear?
Yeah, you want to go hug the teddy bear?
Can I hug a teddy bear?
Of course you can.
All right.
That was a great hug, Billy. Well done. Now that you've hugged the teddy bear, how do you feel?
Much better.
Beautiful. We're making great progress here, Billy. Let's have a chat later about how you're feeling later.
Thank you, Mr. Wagon.
Thank you, Billy.
Take a bow.
You too.
Brilliant. That was Build Aware right there with their fantastic app on kids' mental health awareness. Next up, we've got Know Your Loan. And I've been wondering the best ways to manage my personal finances recently because I'm looking to buy a home. First-time buyer. And I need an app that's going to help me out. So, introducing a team of 4, Doris, Solo, Reese, and Dan with Know Your Loan.
So, I have a friend. Her name is Doris.
Hello.
And she's been absolutely hounded for the past 3 years on ways to manage their finances by her friends, her family. They all want to get into the housing business or want to buy their own home, but they have no idea where to start. There's heaps of information online, but nothing out there that gives you free information to make an informed decision. There we are. Okay, so basically, Know Your Loan gives you a one-stop shop to make your informed decisions. It allows you to see all the rates possible. It allows you to insert your personal details of the mortgage that you obtain as a home buyer and as an investor. So Doris, who's been using this for 20 years now, she's got a lot of experience. So why don't you give us a run through on how it works?
So I started to use this website when I noticed that I need a all-in-one app to fit all my solutions. I need financial insights. I need to see a visible solution on what type of the scenario I'm currently going to work into. So I feel this one is very useful. To save everyone's time, I can just quickly show you that I've already created a few different scenarios, which is currently using the rating banks at New Zealand.
So this is where you get to after you sign up, is that right?
Correct. So after I sign up, I put in some basic information, and these tables give me different scenarios.
Awesome. Well, that's a lot of numbers, and I don't know about you, but I have no idea what I'm seeing. Why is it highlighted? Why are those numbers highlighted?
The highlighted number is your monthly repayment, which is the key number everyone cares when the interest rate goes really high. So when you click on the number, and this is when you put the information, what what is going to show you on everything. So you have a chart every chart to tell you how much you are paying for your mortgage.
Okay, so what exactly does that represent?
So the gray area is how much your deposit or your principal is paying, and the red area is the interest. So funny thing is, as long as you take your mortgage to a longer period, you pay more interest at the beginning. So if we take a different example to say that with current interest rate, but for 30 years, you will see you've paid less, but monthly repayment less, but actually you are paying way more interest at the beginning. So this is what this app is building and helping me to make my financial decisions.
Okay, so would it be better for me just to choose the lowest number?
Yes, it will be more beneficial if you can you just choose it depends. It really depends on your scenario. You want to save money or you want to pay your loans quicker.
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yes.
Hey Doris, so like I want to invest in a property in New Zealand, and I've seen on your homepage that the rates are quite low. I seen it was 39%.
Correct. That's the lowest current rate.
Oh right. What would be your advice if I wanted to invest in this property?
I can sign you up. So if you want to, we can sign you up at the moment. I will type basic information from you. So, Solo, what is your last name?
Tohi,
Tohid, what's your phone number?
04
For
111111.
one. Okay, and Solo, your email address?
Solo is the best at gmail.com.
And I'll made up a default password for you, and then
Alright.
I'll sign you up as an investor. So let's sign up. So you saw the lowest interest rate, right? It's at 6.39 from Westpac at the moment. So the
Yeah.
website did give you all the different type of the rates, but
Are these all current rates?
that's all current rates. That's all daily refreshed.
Okay.
Yeah. So we choose the lowest, and then what is your property value you're looking for?
It's like 600,000.
600,000. And
Yeah.
how much deposit do you have?
200,000.
Yeah. So what do you expect the rental? How much you're going to lease it for?
Maybe 3,000.
3,000. Okay. And then I expect that it's a low maintenance and no extra expenses at the moment. So we can calculate it for you. So you are looking for your monthly interest payment at 2,500, I would say, and give you a positive cash flow. So that red area is what your cash flow coming from.
Okay, cool.
And we can save it. You happy with
Yeah.
it? Mm.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's this looks good. I trust you with this because you're pretty good with money. So,
All right, well, don't trust her. Trust the broker.
Trust a broker.
Get actual finance advice. So
Yes. So go find
Yeah.
a broker. So we have a few brokers in New Zealand already partnering with us at the moment. So let's find the list. So we have Dan, which is pretty good. I know him.
they look pretty reliable.
Yes, and then also myself is partnering here as well, earning some extra pocket money.
Wait, he looks really good. He looks really reliable.
yeah.
Yeah, let's choose him.
Oh,
Okay, let's choose Paul.
Never
We have the
mind.
review. So
Never
the review
mind.
says, probably we should not go with Paul. Let's go find another different one. Let's find a different broker. Let's go back to the broker list and then say, maybe you can use the search function. We just saw myself as there. You want to go with me?
yeah. I trust you more than I trust Paul. So. let's go with you.
Yeah. I have all the good reviews already. So you can book an appointment with myself. How next week Friday sounds like?
Yeah, that's cool. I'll fly to Melbourne.
In the office? Okay. Then appointment made. All right. So myself, as a user of this, I found it's very important and interesting feature here. I can't. So I get an email. So the email says that Solo wants to talk to me.
So will you talk to him?
So I will reply to him and say, I will click the email and his email address and say, okay, this your appointment has been accepted. Of course, I need to check my calendar first.
All right, sounds good. And I heard, Dan, you wanted to become a broker.
Yes, hi Doris, hi Riz, how are you going?
Hey, we good? How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
So are you planning to
I'm a
expand?
broker
Oh.
in Australia, and I want to open my network also my company in New Zealand. So I want to have my name on your app, on your website. How can I do that?
Sure, that's easy. So if you go to the homepage, at the bottom you can see you want to partnering with us. Then you click it, submit your form, and then we will the staff will be in contact.
Okay, so we'll just verify their profile like that?
Yes, they will verify your IDs, etc., all the necessary information from you, but you will be in contact.
Okay, just to avoid any dodgy scammers like Paul.
Then, yeah, avoid any dodgy scammers. Oh, good.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Can't believe they had to go to a tent after working with Pal, though. That's crazy. Yeah, thank you very much. Know Your Loan. They were brilliant. So next up, we've got the Coaches Coaching app with David, which is an app that helps clients and trainers access PT training plans and schedules as well. So are you there, David?
A friend of mine was looking for a way to find new coaches, so I created her a trainee profile. So there, like when you create one, you can define what the the objective is as a trainee, and like additional details that a trainer might need to know you better and adjust our profile. So this is it. And now we can go through the trainers list, to look for a trainer for her. And we can see like all the trainers there that are available on the app. And let's say we look for a yoga teacher. There we go. We can see like the different ones, where they're located, and have a look at their description, which is pretty interesting. Cool thing is, we have the certificates available here, so we can check whether they're legit or not. This one looks good. And we can ask then the trainer for an appointment and specify there like the time, like the start date and the end date of the training plan we want. And Claire told me she wanted to train from beginning of June till end of August and do 3 sessions per week. And she likes to pay on a weekly basis. And she's available next week, Monday, from 10:30. So now, Louvenia will have to approve the training, and we can see there like the different training sessions that this one that is upcoming that that Claire will have next week once Louvenia has confirmed it. And now I'm moving to my trainers page. There you can see on my profile, I already created my coach profile. So with all the description as on the other one, the different training expertise areas, I've put there like the different certificates I have. And on the training plans, I can see like all the training plans that I have with my client at the moment. I have one initial appointment that was on happening yesterday. So let's have a look at this one. So Claire wanted to have 3 sessions per week, and she was saying that she wanted to have these trainings with me on Monday at 10 and for 60 minutes, on Wednesday at 11 for 60 minutes, and another one at 10 for 60 minutes. Sorry, that was on Friday. And now I can see that like all the training sessions that we'll be doing together are now generated. And that's a total of 42 trainings. And I'm gonna be nice with her. I'm gonna make her an offer for 428 euros. And since she wants to improve her V2 max, we'll be taking that as a KPI for the training, and these ones are not applicable. And we'll be also looking at our max speed and minutes per kilometer, and on 5 kilometers, so a 5-kilometer run. I'll leave these descriptions for later on because I don't want to fill them all right now. And so I'll update this one, and it's taking a bit of time. But she'll receive now a proposal that she'll be able either to accept or decline. Up. So great, I can submit it. And there we go. So now I can see that the training has been updated there. I have another one that is already running. I'm gonna see this guy, what is he asking for? Monday at 1:30 p.m. So if I check on my training sessions, Monday at 1:30 p.m., that's cool, I'm available, so I'm gonna accept his offer, his proposal, like the initial appointment proposal. And now I'll wait for Claire for her answer on the training plan, and if she accepts, we'll be making these trainings together. And one last thing which is interesting is these KPIs, as you can see with Rico. Like, if we look at the sessions we had together, she's been able to set them there. And so we can track the progress she's made on the different KPIs, like on these different KPIs. And we can edit them as well. There we go.
All right. Thank you so much, David. I need to use it. I'm looking to get better at jiu-jitsu, so I definitely need a trainer. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. That was a Coach's Coaching app by David. Lastly, we're now going on to our final app. Togetherness, which comprises of Tara, Matt, Yumi, and Halima. And their app focuses on tailored assistance for new parents that need a support network for their children. So give it up.
Hi, Halima. How are you? I heard you're expecting your first baby. That's super, super exciting. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, Tara. Yeah, that's
how are you
right.
going with it all?
Oh, yeah, I'm pretty nervous because it's my first pregnancy. And then, yeah, I have a lot of questions about how to birth baby, how to change nappies as well, because we don't have family members in Australia, so we completely have no support at all. So yeah, I just need more help if I need some questions to solve.
Yeah, I totally understand. I can actually relate from a personal point of view because it's really daunting when you don't have a big support network and you're having your first baby.
Exactly. I
I went through it myself with my daughter. And I actually think I may have a nice solution for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is Togetherness.
Wow.
It's an online community for parents to access 24/7 parenting support through parenting communities and mentorships. And all the support on the app is actually by parents and for parents. So pretty exciting. Shall we just have a look and sign you up and see what it's all about?
Yes,
Cool, let's do that.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So I've got your details here. Let's click sign up. Cool. So we're gonna put in your date of birth. Your expected baby's due date, not your date of birth. And then your postcode and a little bio. And these will help to sign you up with the right group. What's actually really special about this app is that it's much more tailored to your personal circumstances than, for example, Facebook communities. These 3 questions are going to help. Let's click continue. These are going to help select the group that's right for you. So you get a choice out of these three. Which one would you like?
I'm living in South Sierra right now, so I prefer the first one.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, let's click the South Sierra one. Nice. Alrighty, so we can have a look at all the messages that are already in the group. And as we can see, we're in the South Sierra community. Yeah, there's some pretty funny messages on there. And these are all parents expecting their babies in the winter of 2024. So yeah, that's around the same time that your baby is due, and also, you know, everyone's in your neighborhood. So it's really nice. Let's have a look at all the members that are in here. So let's click on the directory. Yeah, there we go. So we can see everyone, their lovely faces, their bios and everything. You are there as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, awesome. And let's go back and take a look at the dashboard again. Now, there's one extra thing. So I mentioned what's really special is that it's so tailored to your circumstances with your, you know, your postcode, your baby's due date. What's also special is that you can already connect with these people before your baby is born. So that's very different from, you know, a parent group that, you know, you're signed up with. That you're signed up to with your local health center, because there you can only meet them when your baby is like 6 weeks old. So here you can already start chatting together and building that bond. There's one extra special feature, which is the mentor program. Now, if you do decide to sign up as a mentee, you'll get 24/7 support from a parent that's more experienced than you, so someone that's gone through it all already. So yeah, sometimes, you know, what you're after is not expensive parenting support, or, you know, you don't want to wait for an appointment. You actually just want to hear from someone who's gone through it all. So let's actually take a break, Halima, and let's have a look at my friend Ruby Rilson. So she was a member in 2022. I think we can see here, that she, I think it's the summer of 2022. We can see, we can see all the messages here. So I think they want to meet up again, and yeah, cool. Now Ruby actually wants to become a mentor. So let's just click on mentor program here. Amazing. And then she can see this nice mentor program information page. And we're going to click on Be a Mentor. She's decided to give back to the community, and yeah, awesome. So yeah, let's see, she can check her details here, postcode, and then what's really important is her parenting experience. So she has 4 years experience, which is plenty to become a mentor, because for this app you need to have at least 2 years of experience to mentor someone. All right, let's hit continue. All right, so she's now signed up to be a mentor, and if she clicks on the mentor program again there, we can see that she signed up, but she doesn't have any, you know, there's no request for her yet, because she's a fresh mentor. So let's go back to you. Welcome back from your break. So what do you think? Do you want to be signed up to receive mentor support?
Yeah, of course.
All right, let's do that. Let's click on this button, and then we see the mentor information page. What are the odds? Out of, you know, the whole pool of mentors, Ruby is also there, so she must live really close to you. She must be in your area. Yeah.
I prefer Ruby, please.
Awesome. So you want to pick Ruby as a mentor? Yes. It's cool. Yeah. She is a really lovely person. I think you two really get along. Yeah. So. All right, so you're now in this environment where you can chat privately, one-on-one with Ruby, which is very different from your group environment that we were in before. So there, everyone can chat with each other. You can all read the messages. Whereas here, it's really a private space, confidential. You can put in messages, and Ruby can respond. So we've already written her a message, which is great. We've just introduced you to Ruby. Now on her side of things, when she clicks mentor program again, it also takes her to this chat environment. We can see if she writes back to you, and she already has. What a nice person.
That's nice.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, so you can now chat to Ruby here, and then you also have the 24/7 support access from your group that you can already meet before your baby is here. So I think you're really, really nice and supported now. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, I feel now very relieved now and very supportive. Yeah, thank you. for introducing this togetherness. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome,
Yeah.
Halima. I'm really glad to see that it helps,
Thank
and that's
you.
exactly what it was created for. So good luck and
Yes, thank
yay!
you.
Incredible stuff. Yeah, that was Togethernest. What wonderful looking app, and functionally and everything, it's incredible stuff. So that was it. 15 demo day. The past 6 months we've all been learning to code, much of us without any prior experience, and yeah, some amazing stuff there. So give yourselves a round of applause there.